Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Has to Fix. Today's video is about how to save your battery life iPhone. I've got 6 tips that's gonna help you make your life easy to save your battery life. So I hope you stay tuned to the end of the video. So let's get into it. The first tip I'm going to show you is how to turn off the background app. The background app every time refreshing. So you go down, go to General, go to, as you can see, background app refresh. Make sure you go through these apps, and the ones you're not using, just turn it off, or you can even turn it all off. Make sure all these apps is just on. They're just refreshing every time at the back. This is one of the things that's draining. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of apps, but just check it. The ones you're not using, just turn it off. The next thing I'm going to show you is, I think this is a very important one. Every time it updates, you're not even aware of it, it's just updating. So go down to iTunes and App Store. When you go to, as you can see, apps update. So this one, if it's on for you, make sure you switch off, because this one every time just updating. As soon as your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's just gonna update all the apps, the ones that need updating. So automatic. That's one of the things. Just turn it off. That's a very annoying app, but you also need it. It comes in handy. But the next thing I'm going to show you is how to turn on auto brightness. So go to accessibility, then go to display text size, then go down to the bottom. As you can see, auto brightness. So auto brightness, when it's on, it's going to help your battery life, because every time, say in the daytime, the bright of the phone is too bright, and this auto brightness can reduce it to make it just balance it out for you. You can always go make it more bright, but auto brightness will adjust it for you without even doing this for you, without even you doing that. So the next one I'm going to show you is how to turn off your location service. So let's go to private, go to location service. Again, some of these apps, you can turn them off. As you can see, what I have on the, for example, the map. While I'm using the map, so every time while I'm using the app, it can use a location service. If I'm not using, you should turn it off if you're not using. So go down to system service, and these are the apps. These are just on system service. You're not even using them, but they're just on. So for example, HomeKit, if you're not using it, switch off. Location-based alert, switch that off. Location-based Apple ads, just go through them, and the ones you don't need, just turn them off. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to auto lock your phone as soon as you're not using your phone. Say you put your phone on the table and the phone is on, so your phone is going to go off auto lock. So to do this, you need to go to display and brightness, and also here you can go to dark mode or light mode. As you can see the difference. When you do dark mode, you save quite a lot of battery. As you can see, the screen, when you put on light, it lights up. That's super bright. So make sure you check that one out too. For the next one I'm going to show you is auto lock. As you can see, it's on 30-second mine. So you click on it, so and just choose 30-second. Make sure, just check you go through it. And finally, least, I'm going to show you, go to notification, these apps, notification. So all these apps, they're using alerts. So every time when you get, for example, if I click on Amazon, allow notification. So these apps, as soon as anything, if you get a message, anything, it'll pop up the screen lock. So it lights up. So every time it lights up, you're using your battery, draining your battery. So make sure you guys check these things out. If you're not using them, just switch them off. And that's it. If you guys find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.